Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Baldi's basic character, and this time it's gonna be arts and crafters. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one's gonna be pretty simple. We're just gonna draw in his eyes first. So let's draw the circle one first. So just one circle, and then for the inside, we're just gonna draw it this way. Okay. And then for the other one, it's going to be a little bit elongated, so it's a little bit stretched out to this side. Okay, and then we're going to draw the inside. All right, and then let me shade it in so we can see it better. So from here, we're going to draw in, I guess, his mouth, and we can start here. We just come down. And then we're just gonna come up, okay, all the way past his eye right here on the top. So it's one big smile, and now we're gonna continue on and finish up the head. So we're gonna come out here, just kind of wrap around the eye, and then we're gonna go up, okay. Then we're gonna curve right around here. We're gonna start curving, and then we're just gonna draw one lump and then another lump all the way back here. So it's a little bit tricky. Okay, and then let's draw in the bottom now. So come around here right beneath the eye, one lump here, and then another lump here. And then for his mouth, let's add in some details. So I'm just gonna add in another line here all the way around. And let me shade that in so we can see a little bit better as well. So now it looks like it's got a mouth. Okay, so then from here, let's start back up here, right around here underneath the eye, curve down, and then we're gonna come down on this side. Okay, nice curve right around here, and then there's gonna be a fold here, so I'm just gonna come across. And then now this one, we're just gonna start in here a little bit, curve, and just kind of come out. Come back down, and then here we're just gonna curve it. That's gonna be the bottom of the socks. Close it off with a curve, and I think that's about it. We can add in, well, let's add in a little bit of line here for some creases, and then it's gonna be two-tone. And so if you want to shade it in, so we start here, just draw a line across, just kind of come up slightly, and then just curve it down to where his mouth is, on the corner of his mouth. And then on this one, we're gonna come down, just kind of curve it around. And lastly, if you want to add in a little bit more detail here, so that we can add in some line here for the socks, just kind of come all the way around, just drawing a bunch of lines. And that is it for this arts and crafters character in Baldi's Basics. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.